Higgsfield is basically the generator that creates all of the images, and also most importantly, that beautiful scrolling video that moves down your website as you scroll down the page. Higgsfield is where all of that comes from. So what we're going to do here is connect Claude and Higgsfield together. So that way Claude Code can generate your video and your images and drop them right onto your website for you. So the next thing that you'll do here is head back down into the video description, and there you should find a link to Higgsfield. And by using that link, it'll take you to the page with their best current deal. Higgsfield does change their offers pretty frequently, so what you see on your screen may not be exactly like mine. The only thing that matters here is that you sign up for an account that has credits on it, because that's what pays for your images and your video. So right here, you can see that they're currently offering a $0 one-day trial. So in this case, I'll sign up for this free trial. Okay, and once you've signed up for an account with Higgsfield and you have credits loaded into your account, you're ready to move on to the next step. From here, let's go up to the top and click into MCP and CLI. Now on this page, go ahead and scroll down and copy this URL right here. With this copied, go ahead and switch back over to Claude. Now back over here within Claude Code, let's go down to this plus icon right here. Hover over connectors, then click into Manage Connectors. Go up to the top right and click Add. Click Add Custom Connector. For the name here, let's type Higgsfield, and then paste in that URL right here. Go down and click Add, and then click Connect. And that's going to open up your web browser again. You may be asked to sign back into your Higgsfield account, so go ahead and do that. And then here, you're able to connect Claude to Higgsfield. So let's scroll down and click Allow. From here, click Open Link. And with that done, Claude and Higgsfield are officially connected. So now Claude is able to generate all of your images and video for you right here inside of the chat.